On this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about linkages. It's easy to ignore your burner when everything's running well and you're making steam and production's going great, but things can get out of whack on your linkages. So they are something that we want to visually check every time we walk by the boiler. Because if we've got something that's obviously disconnected, we could have a serious combustion issue. But also occasionally we want to go through with a wrench and just make sure that our fittings are tight and nothing's loose or wobbling. And we pretty much want to go through each fitting, making sure that they're all tight and correct. We can easily see if something's jammed, if we can't wiggle it freely and let it pivot. That could generate stress. We could have slippage on a jack shaft, so we want to make sure those are tight. We just kind of want to go from the mod motor to the gas valve, the mod motor to the air damper, and make sure everything's good. As a second safety, we can actually take a nail polish or paint and make markings on there so that if anything slips or moves, we'll have immediate verification. If we come in and we find the air damper linkage off and the air damper uncoordinated, obviously we can have a hazardous combustion scenario and want to shut the boiler down as soon as possible.